on and cracking. Shein got wigs, y'all. This is their 13 by 6 kinky curly with 150% density. Just look at the color, how healthy, how beautiful, how thick, how soft it is. It does come with your standard combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the top and 1 in the back. I did take those out. It does have the standard tracks in the back with the lace part front and the front. I'm showing you the edges because I did go ahead and bleach the knots. But oh my God, I am in love with these Shein wigs. So this is how the hair looks after I rinsed it and conditioned it. Oh my God, it is so soft, so wavy. I'm absolutely loving this wig from Shein. You guys know that anytime I prepare a wig, I always wet the edges and tie it down with this little band. So when you get ready to take off your band and install your installation, the edges will just be smooth, on fleek, and ready to go. But yeah, I'm loving it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry this hair, and then we're going to put some wand curls in it. We're not going to do the wet and wavy. We're going to make the curls pop out with some wand curls. So I did go ahead and run the blow dryer through her hair. This is how she looks. Now this wig, I'm not lying, this hair feels just like my hair. It's soft and it's fluffy. I did go ahead and make 2 little parts at the top. I'm going to put some wand curls in it, and this front portion, I'm just going to do the wand curls towards my face. So let's get to it. I purchased this curling wand from ISO Beauty a couple of years ago, so I do not know the exact thickness of the wand, but it does come with 5 attachment, and the temperature that it goes to is 430. So let's make some curls, girls.